Hey, David. What are you doing here? You look like you're in a hurry.
Hi, Thomas. My phone is broken. I brought it here for a check. What about you?
I have bought a new mobile phone for my girlfriend. Today is her birthday.
It's always so difficult to choose a gift for a girl.
That is right. What is the matter with your mobile phone?
Well, I left my phone in the washing machine. When I took it out, it was broken.
Did you reset it?
Yes, but I failed.
You must have left it in the washing machine for too long.
I regret that a lot.
I understand, David. I have been in the same situation. Is that so? It was Sunday. I decided to cook breakfast for my girlfriend. I thought she would be very surprised. But life is not a dream. Can you tell me what happened? I was making an omelet, but I came into the living room and watched television. Then my girlfriend smelled something burning. The omelet was ruined. What was her reaction? She laughed at me. I cannot tell you how ashamed I was. That is so funny. Oh, it is so late. I must go now. My girlfriend is waiting for me.
Okay. See you later, Thomas.
Bye, David.
Hi, Helen and Christina. Hi, Irene. Long time no see. I have been so busy recently. So let's sit down and have a talk. How have you been, Irene? Good, but today is an awful day for me. What is the matter with you? Well, there were a lot of troubles. I set the alarm for 6 a.m., but when the clock rang, I shut it off. When I woke up, it was 8 o'clock a.m. That means you overslept for 2 hours? I jumped out of my bed and changed my clothes as quickly as possible. I did not have time for breakfast. I sometimes oversleep too. Last month, I was late for an important meeting. Can you tell us what happened next? I rushed to the meeting, and when I came in, everyone looked at me. I was so embarrassed. I guess you looked so silly at the time. Yes, I do not want to remember that moment. It seems that everyone has bad memories for the alarm clock. When I was at university, I missed the midterm exam because my alarm clock did not ring. Did you have to retake it? Of course. I was so angry that I threw the clock into the wastebasket. Poor you. My bad things did not end there. When I was going to leave my house, I could not find my car keys anywhere. Oh, so what did you do? I had to take a taxi to my office. And when I paid the bill, I realized I had forgotten my wallet at home. How did you handle that situation? I had to call my colleague. He helped me make the payment. Such a bad day for you, Irene. Why don't we go out to eat something before coming back home? Great idea. Let's change our clothes and go. Excuse me, is that you, Rosa? You are Jessica? Is that right? Yes, I am Jessica. I am so surprised to meet you here. It has been 7 years since we last saw each other? Yes, since we graduated from university. I lost your phone number. Are you free now, Rosa? Would you like a cup of coffee? That is a great idea. I know a very nice cafe. It is not far from here. Do you want to go there?
Okay, let's go there.
How have you been, Rosa?
You have not changed much. You are still very young.
I am quite good. I still cannot believe we have not seen each other for 7 years. Time flies so fast.
What are you doing now?
I am the sales manager of a fashion company. What about you?
I am a chef accountant. I have a 5-year-old son. Are you married?
Yes, I have a daughter. She is 3 years old.
You look so sad when you're talking about your family. What is the problem, Rosa?
It's hard to say, Jessica. I have a lot of troubles with my husband. We have arguments every day.
Do you know why?
Well, I do not know exactly the reason. He often comes home late, forgets my birthday, even our wedding anniversary.
Do you spend much time talking together?
Not much. Both of us are busy with work.
If you don't talk seriously, how can you resolve the conflict? You should let him know your feelings, Rosa.
Is it useful, Jessica?
No one can be sure, but you should give it a try.
Do you think we should go on a trip to warm up our love?
Why not? That is a good idea.
Okay, Jessica. I think I will come home and book tickets right now.
1 month later. How is everything, Rosa?
Everything is good, Jessica. Our relationship has improved a lot. Thanks a bunch for your help.
Never mind it. I just gave you some advice.
We have come home after a trip, and I have a special gift for you. Are you free this weekend?
Let me see. We can meet on Sunday morning. Are you okay?
Okay. See you then, Jessica.
Goodbye, Rosa. What is the matter with you, Daisy? You always fall asleep, even at the lecture.
I am sleepy all the time, Emily. I do not sleep well at night.
Do you know the reason?
I do not know, Emily.
Do you have any health problems? I think you should make an appointment with a doctor to see what is happening.
No, I am fine. But I often have a cup of coffee in the evening.
Drinking too much coffee is not a good habit, Daisy. Recently, you have not concentrated on your studies. We are in the final year. It is very important.
I know, Emily, but I have to spend time to earn money.
Do you have a part-time job?
Yes, I do it in the evening.
That is why you do not have time to do your homework. Is that correct?
Yes, Emily. I do not know how to manage time efficiently. I'm so worried about my study, but I have to earn money too.
I understand, Daisy. You want to support your family. But do you want to fail the final exam?
Of course not. What should I do now, Emily?
Let me see. Why don't you find another part-time job? You can do it in the afternoon.
I have never thought about that, but I have not found a suitable one yet.
Well, I will help you.
Thank you, Emily. You are my best friend.
Never mind. Have you found a new part-time job, Daisy?
No, I have not.
I think I should quit this job in order to focus on my study. I do not want to fail the upcoming exam.
You are doing great, Daisy. However, I have good news for you.
What is it, Emily? I cannot wait.
I have found a quite interesting part-time job for you. You can do it in your free time.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm not kidding at all. You can become a coordinator of a fashion magazine. What do you think?
Great! When is the deadline to apply for the job?
1 more day only.
What? I have to apply now.
Okay, I will send information to you right now.
Thanks so much, Emily.
Never mind it, Daisy.
Don't forget to give us a like. Thank you and see you again.